Hey, niños! Okay, so I was talking with my wife the other day, and she said...
So, what are you doing this weekend?
And then I said... I don't know, what do you want me to do this weekend? And then she said...
Wanna make a bench?
And then I said... Well, I got that slab of wood in the barn.
Yeah, make it so.
And so that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make a bench. I saw this bench idea somewhere. Cool idea. I have a slab of wood out in my barn. That's what we're gonna use. And I need 4 pipe wrenches. Yeah, we're gonna get the slab of wood and start getting that ready and stuff. So this is the piece of wood I'm gonna use. This is a slab that was pulled out of Hamlin Lake, and I don't know how many years it was sitting in Hamlin Lake, but it's waterwood. Waterwood. Okay, we're heading out to go do a little more lowsing. Get our lows on. Hey, we're not supposed to text and drive. I wonder what they would do if they saw a camera in driving. This is, I think, a lot more dangerous than texting and driving. So I'm looking at you. Yeah, I'll put it down. Let's get to Lowe's. They have 1. I need 4. Briggs True Value. Here he is. Need a pipe wrench. We need help. That's what we need. I see someone that can help us. Okay, I need a 24-inch pipe wrench. 24-inch pipe wrench. Here we go. Guess what we're doing with the 24-inch pipe wrench?
Testing it.
No. We're making a bench. A bench. Do you have 4?
No.
Oh, you have 1. Dude. No favors at all.
You want me to see if I can get some Master Mechanic ones through the warehouse?
Cheap.
Probably.
Yeah, let's see. Cool. Okay, we're gonna see if we can order these in because nobody has a quantity of 4 24-inch pipe wrenches. And the one that they have here is $70.
$26.99, and I can have them here on the Tuesday.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It meets all ANSI standards.
I really don't care about that. our legs came in. This was pretty spendy, but I did it. I would recommend finding legs at yard sales and stuff like that, but this is what it is. Been gone a little bit, took a little break. We had the holidays. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I hope you enjoyed yourselves and are very thankful for everything that you have, because we have so much. But anyways, we're gonna finish this bench up. We're gonna finish sanding it. We're gonna stain it, clear coat it, and get these legs on. So let's finish it.
Hello guys, I want a Christmas present.
My thoughts here is this is a big piece of driftwood basically, and I don't want to take that character away. So I could sand this to a really nice finish, but I'm gonna try to get this, because that's where the butt's gonna be, as smooth as possible so we don't get slivers. And I want to leave a lot of this character of the driftwood in there, so yeah, I'm not gonna take it all the way down to a beautiful smooth finish except for the top. We'll try to get the top there a bit, and yeah, keep going. Okay, that was a lot of pick and sanding. The belt sander, which I don't know what it was, but on the circular sander I did 40, 80, 120, and then 220. It's still rough here and there, and that's kind of what I want. My wife wants a stain on it. We have a Peninsula with a certain kind of stain, and I got some. But I'm kind of liking the natural look of this wood. And it's got some of the tones that she's looking for, and I think I'm just gonna clear coat it and hope that she's okay with that. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, niños, that is a pipe wrench bench. Pipe wrench bench. Like and subscribe if you like this video. If you don't, whatever. Cool. Fun. Lots of fun.